Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer your balance from Sweatcoin to your Sweat wallet. This guide will help you understand how the app converts your steps into tokens and how you can claim them easily. First, open the Sweatcoin app and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your current balance along with an earnings summary. It shows how many Sweatcoins you've earned, how many tokens have been converted, and how many have already been transferred. You can also check your past transactions to track your daily step earnings and see how your activity translates into rewards. The app automatically converts your steps. The first few thousand steps become Sweat tokens, and any extra steps turn into Sweat coins. Remember, while conversion happens automatically, you need to manually claim your Sweat tokens to transfer them into your Sweat wallet. Now, open the Sweat wallet app. If you're not already signed in, log in using the same account you use for Sweatcoin. Once inside, you'll see your total token balance and an option to learn how to earn more. Next, look for the claim button. It shows the number of tokens available for you to collect. Tap it, then swipe to the right to confirm your claim. After the swipe, your claim tokens will appear in your Sweat wallet balance. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your earnings from Sweatcoin to Sweat wallet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.